In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable YouTube Shorts here inside of the YouTube app. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you can do this on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or really any mobile device. Before starting though, just make sure your YouTube app is fully updated. You can do this by backing out and going to the App Store or Google Play Store and just update the YouTube app. Once you do that, open up the YouTube app, and what you're going to want to do is, if you do scroll down and you see YouTube Shorts, and you mainly want to watch long form videos, shorts can obviously get pretty annoying. You just got to go ahead and find the short section and tap the three dots next to it, and it's going to pop up with an option that says not interested or show fewer shorts. Go ahead and do that so YouTube understands that you don't want to see them. Now you can also tap the three dots on each and every individual short as well. I would do this first and then tap the three dots for the big section, but you are going to have to do this a few times in order to fully get rid of them. Doing it only once is only going to significantly reduce them, but that is it. Unfortunately, there's not a super duper easy way to do this. It's kind of going to have to be consistent turning them off. But if you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.